we need to know how many parks are in each bucket. So, how do you do a COUNTIF formula in Google Sheets? COUNTIF is really helpful when you have data and want to count how many records based on a certain condition. It is a simple calculation, so in cell I5, enter equals, COUNTIF, open parentheses. And here you will notice that the formula is asking for a range and a condition. The range will be the column that you are trying to count. For us, it is the range age group in column F. So we will select the range by clicking on F5 and then hit Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow to F67 and add the strings to hold that range when we copy down to the other buckets. The second item the COUNTIF function needs is the condition. So enter H5 to select 0 in the age group bucket. So here I am counting how many times the formula sees 0 in the age group data in column F. And the answer is 5. When we hit enter, the suggested autofill pops up and we want to hit the green check mark to paste to the remaining buckets. To learn more Google Sheets, watch this video next.